Cheese pizza, and starting again this week, you'll find Hot Deals from Hippo. It's a $40 gift certificate for 20 bucks. And there's new things going on down there, right there at the corner of Virginia and 41. And Laura's here with us to tell us about them. The outside deck's now open, huh? Outside dining?
Yes, it is. It opened a week ago Thursday, and we've been real pleased. Everybody seems real happy. Seems to be busy even in breakfast time, so it's a great.
Well, it's a nice place to go out and sit, have a breakfast pizza.
Mm-hmm.
And what do you put on your breakfast pizza? Is it different styles, or is it they're already made ahead?
No, we make them to order, and we have a supreme, a veggie, a Mediterranean, and a new sausage gravy pizza with sausage gravy, scrambled eggs, crumbled sausage, cheddar and mozzarella. We have bagels, bialys, and flagels. Homemade cream cheeses.
Wait a minute, whoa, back up. What's a flagel?
Well, flagels and bialys are not boiled, they're just baked. The bialy is almost like a closed bagel, so it's great for sandwiches. And flagels are flat, stretched out bagels that you can use for spreads. They're a lot easier for spreads. And we have homemade cream cheeses, and we have homemade hummus, fresh fruit, granola. We have Cinnabons, which are huge and a huge hit. Everybody sort of loves those. And frittatas, which are Italian omelets.
Costco used to have the Cinnabons, the real. They used to make them, and they were so decadent. You could be so clear, and you could just have one and get adult diabetes.
I believe it.
I was going to ask you how you knew, but now I do know.
Oh, those things are so decadent.
Yep.
They really are.
I know, and then we have our local bagels, which we pick them up 3 to 4 times a week, and we have plain everything: sesame, poppy, onion, garlic, cinnamon raisin, whole wheat, pumpernickel, cheddar, wide variety. And we try really hard to pick them up frequently so that they're real fresh in the morning.
Yeah, that's good.
Do you have the flavored like chives?
We have jalapeno, maple walnut, garlic and chive, plain, veggie, and blueberry cream cheeses.
Ooh, blueberry?
All made in
Yeah,
house.
that sounds. I wouldn't want that on a garlic bagel, but.
No, me either.
Or an everything bagel.
Yeah, really. Yeah. Well, that sounds good.
Sandwiches and paninis.
Yeah,
so
great.
It's a good breakfast.
Becoming full service, eh, girl?
Yes, we are. Busy all day long.
Well, that means you open. What time do you open now?
5:30 in the morning for breakfast, Monday through Friday, and 7 in the morning, Saturday and Sunday. We serve breakfast through 2
We'll have
o'clock.
to tell Charlie. He'll have to.
Yeah,
because he's up on the way in here.
Yeah.
He stops occasionally.
Sure.
So. And he's down there anyways, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we, of course, we continue our usual menu that we have all day long, but we're going to be adding some additional appetizers. Everyone needs to kind of keep their eyes peeled. We have our website, www.mantees.com. However, we are going to be launching another website shortly, and it will include the Bagel Bungalow. But we're going to add some more appetizers for the outside dining for people that just come in just to have a snack and a couple beers and hang out there on the deck, which is turning out to be a real pleasant experience.
Yeah, something different, huh? I mean,
Yeah.
I know you were kind of reticent about doing it because it was. I don't know if we're gonna. I'm not just gonna know if anybody's gonna sit out there during the summer. But here it is, the perfect time of year. You got 6 months where it's gonna be ideal.
Yes, and hopefully by the summertime we'll have some Miss fans out there, make it a little more comfortable for everyone. And I think it's going to go real well. We're real happy.
And no TVs out there.
No TVs out there.
Which I think some people. I'm one that likes to see TV, but there are sometimes you don't need it.
We have the TV inside.
Right.
And if people wish to watch it, that's fine. But outside, just kind of a relaxing experience. And it's been great for families. Families have really enjoyed it.
Well, I know the guys out at the Port Charlotte Golf Club, the left gift certificate I got from you, they came down, and I gave it to them to go down and get the pizza. And they had, a couple of guys came up to me the other day, they said, oh, it was perfect. What a nice touch. So, and it was, one guy says, he's driven by you for 10 years. Said, well, it hasn't been 10 years since you moved up, but he knew you were down the other place. And since he's been driving by it and never stopped. I says, well, he says, I'm stopping.
But that makes me happy. And I think most of our advertising for the bunch is here on your radio stations and word of mouth. We've been very lucky in that we've had such a loyal customer base that followed us from Bird Store and continue to come in. And they go through all our ups and downs when we open something new, and they hang in with us and they try it out and they give us really good feedback. I can really count on my customer base to let me know what they like, what they don't like, and then we can make adjustments to suit our customers' needs.
But I think that's the key, Laura. If more people would blend with that style of management and say, no, we do it this way, that's it. I ain't changing nothing. they know you're trying to serve them.
Mhm.
And I think that's the key.
I think so too, and for all intents and purposes, I mean, they're the ones that make my business run, especially my locals that are here year-round and hang in with us all year round, and, you know, we try to support them, they try to support us, and we've been very, very lucky. We have a wonderful customer base, and I have a wonderful staff that is, you know, gives 100%, 110%. They put in so much effort to getting the outside done and getting the breakfast going, and they work so hard to give me feedback, and we all work together as a team, and we've been really, really lucky. I can't complain.
They're in Punta Gorda. It's the Manatee's Pizza right at the corner of Virginia and 41, right across from, some people know where their office is, not far from there, next door to the Ice House Pub, right there on the corner, and Manatee's Pizza is just great. Now, you've got something coming up that you're doing with some of the other restaurants in town, and I think it is a great move on your parts to help out those who can.
One of the employees over at Shorty's came up with a plan on December 15th to do a collection of canned goods and contributions for all the local food banks in Charlotte County and Punta Gorda. And it's going to be December 15th. It's going to be in conjunction with several of the other businesses. Anyone who's interested can stop into Shorty's and get a flyer and find out all about it. And we're hoping to collect quite a bit for the food banks to replenish them for the holiday season. And I'll be donating some pizzas over there, and we're going to sell them to the customers. And so we're trying to work together as a group downtown to try to do something. So check it out. Like us on Facebook. Come in, use our Wi-Fi.
Facebook. What is it on Facebook? Just Manatee's
Manatee's Pizza. And we have, now we have, well, we've always had Wi-Fi, but I don't think people were aware of it. They can come in and have their coffee, check their email, sit outside on the
Not
deck.
a bad thing to do, Tommy, for you in the morning. We may have to go down there during our respite from.
I'm not taking you down there till you get used to that smartphone.
I was bringing my laptop.
Okay. Well, no, you can Wi-Fi off of that too.
I understand that, Tom.
I know.
But my fingers are too big for that.
Oh, come on. You got a keyboard on there bigger than I've got on mine.
Yeah, but when I use the keyboard on the screen, it's.
Oh, well, yeah.
Yeah.
But you got the pull-out, don't you?
I know.
Yeah.
I'm still working on it. Still trying to figure out how to open it. I just got a smartphone, Laura. It makes me look dumber.
I went through that, and I learned how to use it, and after 2 weeks I was okay, but it's a little
It's
stressful.
frustrating, isn't it?
And we're also doing Toys for Tots.
Are you helping out?
Yeah, we want to remind everyone that they do collect December 14th, so if they bring an unwrapped toy, drop it in the box, it would be greatly appreciated, because we're
That is
trying to
super.
give back to the community a little bit.
And you give back all the time. And don't forget, Toys for Tots will be at the Lighted Boat Parade and many different locations where you'll be watching the Lighted Boat Parade. We ask you to take your unwrapped toys down to the Lighted Boat Parade, drop them off in the big bins. And then the final, it's got to be a barge to carry Harry. I don't care how much weight he's lost. You know, that he said he lost yesterday, Tommy, but if he's on that final, it's got to be a huge barge to collect these toys and carry him.
I would say so.
Yes,
Yep.
without question. At 7:44 in the morning, we'll take a quick break with weather and traffic. We'll be back from Laura from Manatee's Pizza. Don't forget, coming up this Friday, 9 o'clock, you can get your $40 gift to Manatee's Pizza for just $20. Hot deals from Hippos or Seaview Best Bites.